10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Most people waste it scrolling. I used it to transform my life. And those 10 minutes gave me confidence I never thought possible. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. I want to share a secret with you. A simple secret that changed everything for me. Daily practice. Just 10 minutes. Nothing more. For years, I tried to study English for hours. I would plan to practice for 2 hours every weekend. But it never happened. I was always too busy, too tired, too distracted. Then I changed my approach. Instead of hours, I chose minutes. Just 10 minutes. Every single day. 10 minutes in the morning. That's all. I stood in front of my mirror and spoke. Good morning. Today is a new day. I will speak English. I will improve myself. I believe in my progress. I talked about simple things. My breakfast, the weather, my plans. Nothing complicated. Just speaking. Just moving my mouth. At first, 10 minutes felt like nothing. I thought, how can 10 minutes change anything? But I was wrong. 10 minutes every day is 70 minutes a week. 300 minutes a month. 3,650 minutes a year. That's more than 60 hours of practice. And the magic wasn't in the time. It was in the consistency. Every single day. No exceptions. After 1 month, I noticed changes. My pronunciation improved. My confidence grew. Speaking felt more natural. After 3 months, I was thinking in English sometimes. Not translating. Just thinking directly in English. After 6 months, I could have basic conversations without fear. My 10-minute habit had transformed me. Here's my simple 10-minute routine. 3 minutes. Talk to yourself about your day. For minutes. Read something out loud. 3 minutes. Shadow a short video. That's it. 10 minutes. But every single day. The power isn't in doing a lot. It's in doing a little consistently. Most people fail because they try to do too much too fast. They burn out. They quit. But 10 minutes? Anyone can find 10 minutes. Before breakfast. During lunch. Before bed. It's always possible. I challenge you today. Commit to 10 minutes. Just 10. For 30 days. Don't skip a single day. Set a timer. Stand in front of a mirror. And speak. About anything. Just speak for 10 minutes. After 30 days, you will see the difference. Your confidence will grow. Your speaking will improve. And you'll realize that small daily actions create massive results. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and start your 10-minute transformation. Because you don't need hours. You just need consistency. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, and a transformed life in months. Your power is in your daily practice. Start now.